Hello everybody, welcome back to Mattie's Kitchen. Today I'll be making oxtail with sweet, spicy, homemade barbecue sauce. Okay everybody, I'm getting ready to prepare my oxtail. My ingredients that I'm going to use are my garlic, liquid smoke, salt, pepper, a little fresh garlic, bell pepper, onions, celery, flour, and of course my oxtail. I started with 4 oxtail, good. And I trimmed some of the fat off because, you really need a little fat on the oxtail, but not a lot. So I washed them good and I took some of the fat off them. See how they look? Pretty good oxtails. First thing I'm gonna do is take some liquid smoke and I'm gonna rub it on them really good. Rub it in real good. The liquid smoke give it a good flavor. A bit more on this one. Next thing I'm gonna start with is my salt. You can use salt as you like, how you desire. I don't put too much on there. Side, turn them over, do the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna pat it in here. I'm gonna add pepper. Mash that in. Turn them over and do this. Repeat the same thing. And I'm doing this, like I said, so the season can go into the meat. Now I'm gonna dip it in some flour. And the reason I'm doing this is so the barbecue sauce can stick on the oxtail and then also make it look good. So I'm gonna put it in here in the flour. And if you were making a soup, about just barbecue with rice, you can add water in here, and this flour will make your gravy once it cooks. Put that in there. This is gonna stay in the oven for probably about a good, I don't know, maybe according to your oven. I'll say I'm gonna let mine, when it brown, you can take it out. There ain't no set time on that. Okay, and you probably will never see somebody cook them like this, but that's the way I go. So now you don't have to add onions and stuff like that. I'm a vegetable freak, so I'm gonna put a little pepper on it just so it can cook. The flavor can cook into it. Put it on top and let it cook in it. Kind of season it in on top of it. This is a green pepper. The onions, I'm gonna put some onions on top of it. Just sort of season in it. And celery. Okay, that is that. Now, what I'm gonna do is put it in the oven, and once it brown, I'll say 30, according to your oven. But I'm gonna say mine probably take about 30 minutes for this to brown. You put it on probably about, say, 360 and let it brown. And the fat from here, what's gonna make it brown and not burn it, I still have fat on it. And it also taking a little of the fat off of it. So I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it brown. I'm getting ready to put them in the oven And cook them, don't cover them up because you want them to brown. So I'm gonna put them in here for about 30 minutes and let them brown. Oxtail been cooking for an hour and a half, about an hour and 45 minutes, and they good to go. So how they look? Ready for the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna let the barbecue sauce cook about 10 more minutes. Show it to you. Hold a minute. See how it's cooking? It's good to go. See how thick? It's not as thick as it was. I'm getting ready to finish it up. I'm gonna put it into the barbecue sauce. And check my link below for the homemade barbecue sauce. Put it in here and dump it in here. And see, you remember that flour I put on there? Make it stick to it. And man, it's gonna be good as heck. They falling apart. Put each one in here. And there's some good barbecue sauce. I don't know whether Heinz or whatever make better barbecue sauce. This stuff smells so good. I should put it in a jar. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna set my oven to about broiled because all I want to do is get crispy, a crisp finish touch. So I'm gonna put it on broil. I'm gonna set it. Okay, set it in the oven. Okay, y'all. Here's my sweet and spicy oxtail, and I also added a little potato salad with it. That's it, y'all.